What is up, you guys? Max back here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be installing some carbon fiber to my 5th gen Camaro interior, specifically the shift knob piece. But before I get into the installation and then my thoughts and review afterwards, I want to give a big shout out to my sponsor for this video, Carbon Viper. They are a startup carbon fiber company with some pretty good prices and some pretty good products. I'll let you guys be the judgment of the quality and fitment from the video, but I can speak from personal experience. All the products I've gotten have been great, so they have some pretty good prices, especially compared to some of the competitors. And if you use my code NOLIMIT10 at checkout, you'll be additionally getting 10% off. So you'd be supporting not only myself, but this new company, Carbon Viper. So I really would appreciate it. But without further ado, let's get on to the installation. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean the shift knob. So you can use some sort of alcohol pad or something else just to clean it. Use some soap, but you just want to make sure you're not putting this actual piece on dirt or anything like that. You want to make it as nice of a process as possible, so clean it all up. And then you want to put some adhesive on the shift knob as well as the actual piece itself before you actually peel those little stickers off with the 3M tape. So before you peel that off, you want to just heat it up a little bit just to make the adhesive stick a little better. Then you want to just peel everything off. Take your time on this. You don't want to rip the adhesive with it, so you want to make sure you're just taking the sticker off. After that, you just want to heat it up probably one more time just to make sure it's going to stick as best as possible. Then you might want to use somebody else, or I was recording in this case, so I used another person, but you could probably do it yourself and just clamp both sides together, and then your final result's going to be looking pretty good. So I'm not going to lie, that was super easy. All you got to do is just have a few minutes. It probably took 30 minutes overall. Definitely super easy, like I mentioned, and the more carbon you have, the better it looks. It really spiced up my interior and I'm super happy with it. Fitment is amazing, and it doesn't change up usability. It just feels the same. It doesn't feel any bigger or weird. It doesn't make any noise when you're driving. It fits perfectly. Super happy with the product. Like I said, use my code if you would like to try out this product, but I definitely think if you're trying to spice up your 5th gen Camaro's interior, I would definitely give this a try. A+ rating for me. I don't want to waste your time. I'll make this one sort of short, just an install and review, but like I keep mentioning, I couldn't be happier with the product, and every time I get in my car, it feels like a whole new interior. So I'm calling it for this video. I'm out. Peace.